myself Vinayak Bandari, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mathematics, Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore. Up to this one we studied about the even and odd function method. Now we are going for the next concept, that is in terms of neither even nor odd function method. Now the given question is, obtain Fourier series for the function f of x equal to 1 by 2 into pi minus x in the interval minus pi to plus pi. X lies between minus pi to plus pi. F of x is nothing but 1 by 2 into pi minus x. The first thing is we need to verify even or odd function method. See the given interval, that is nothing but minus pi to plus pi. So while verifying even and odd function method, we need to substitute x equal to minus x. Now I am replacing x is nothing but minus x. So f of minus x equal to 1 by 2 into pi minus of minus x, will become pi plus x. Now in the previous all the problems you got the values, f of minus x equal to some values you will get, that is nothing but the given function. Now now you got the value f of minus x equal to 1 by 2 into pi plus x. No, it is not a given function value. So f of minus x is not equal to f of x, f of minus x is not equal to minus f of x. So the given function is neither even nor odd function. It is not satisfied for the even function condition as well as odd function condition. F of minus x not equal to f of x, f of minus x also not equal to minus f of x. Therefore the given function is neither even nor odd function. If the given function is even, means directly you are writing as a naught and a n, you are calculating b n, you are writing 0. Odd function means a naught and a n 0, you are calculating b n value. Now the given function is neither even nor odd function. So in that case we need to calculate all the three values, that is a naught also we need to calculate, a n, b n, all the three values we need to calculate. It's very important. The first thing is verifying even and odd function method. After verifying even and odd function method, if even function means some values will be 0, odd function means either some values will be 0 again. But here the given function is neither even nor odd. So it is not satisfied for the even condition also, it is not satisfied for the odd function condition also. So the given function is neither even nor odd function. So we need to calculate all the three values, a naught, a n and b n values. Okay. Now the formula. Now we will write the formula on Fourier series function. This is the formula we need to write. Now we need to calculate a naught, a n and b n values. These three values we need to calculate. The first thing is, while calculating that all the three values, you are applying neither even nor odd function method. If you are applying even and odd function method, means you are applying a formula is 2 by pi, 0 to pi. Now the given function you are verified, it is neither even nor odd function. So the formula is a naught equal to 1 by pi, the given integral, that is minus pi to plus pi f of x dx. So why we need to apply 1 by pi? Because the given function is neither even odd function. Already you are verified by substituting x equal to minus x. It is the given function is neither even nor odd function. So we need to apply the formula a naught equal to 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi f of x dx. Now a naught equal to 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi. What is f of x means? 1 by 2 into pi minus x dx. So a naught equal to 1 by 2 I will take outside. So 2 pi minus pi to plus pi, pi minus x dx. Now I will go for the integration, that is a naught equal to 1 by 2 pi bracket pi with respect to x, pi x minus x square by 2. Integration limits are minus pi to plus pi. So now I will go for the substituting the integration limits. So a naught equal to 1 by 2 pi. If I substitute pi, this become pi square minus pi square by 2. Pi into pi square minus pi square by 2. If I substitute minus pi, minus of minus pi square minus pi square by 2. If I substitute minus pi, pi into pi, minus pi square. Okay. Next minus pi the whole square, that is pi plus pi square. So second integration minus. So a naught equal to 1 by 2 pi bracket. Now I will go for the simplification. Pi square minus pi square by 2 minus into minus plus pi square plus pi square plus pi square by 2. Now minus pi square by 2 plus pi square by 2 cancels, pi square plus pi square 2 pi square. So which implies a naught equal to 2 pi square divided by 2 pi, which implies a naught equal to 2 cancels, pi cancels. So a naught equal to pi. Okay, you got the value for a naught, that is nothing but pi. Now the next one is calculating an and bn value. Now I will move on to the next value, that is an. An equal to 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi, given integration. F of x into cos nx. Okay, an equal to 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi, f of x into cos nx. Now formula is an equal to 1 by pi, because the given function is neither even nor odd function. So the formula is 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi, the given integration limits we need to take. The given function is even or odd, means the formula is 2 by pi 0 to pi we need to take, f of x cos nx. Neither even nor odd means 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi, f of x into cos nx. F of x is nothing but the given value, 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi 1 by 2 into pi minus x into cos nx dx. So I will take 1 by 2 outside, 1 by 2 pi minus pi to plus pi remain as it is, pi minus x into cos nx dx. Okay, now I will go for the integration. UV rule, integration by parts we need to apply, because integration with respect to x is there, pi minus x and cos nx. So go for the integration by parts rule, that is uv equal to u into integration of v, double integration of v into u dash. Okay, so on. Now directly I will go for the integration itself. So an equal to 1 by 2 pi bracket, the first value as it is, pi minus x, cos nx, integration, cos becomes sin, sin nx divided by n, sin nx by n, minus double integration, one time minus sin nx by 1, one more time minus cos nx by n square by n, two times we need to integrate. So minus cos nx by n square, integration, differentiation of pi minus x becomes minus 1, 0 to minus pi to plus pi, integration limits. Now first I will go for the simplification equation, an equal to 1 by 2 pi bracket pi minus x into sin nx whole divided by n, the first value, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, cos nx divided by n square in the interval minus pi to plus pi. Now I will substitute the integral limits. Before substituting the integral limits, we have values, that is sin n pi is 0, sin 0 is 0. So if I substitute here, that becomes sin n pi, leave about this value, only I am considering about the trigonometric value. If I substitute here, this becomes sin n pi. What is sin n pi value? 0. If I substitute pi here, that becomes sin n pi. Sin n pi is nothing but 0. Again, if I substitute minus pi here, this becomes sin of minus sin of n pi, because sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So this value also 0 itself. If I substitute pi, sin n pi is 0. If I substitute minus pi, sin n pi is 0. So the first term vanishes. Only remains the second term. We have the value for cos n pi. Cos n pi is nothing but minus 1 power n. An equal to 2 by pi. I take minus outside, minus 2 by pi n square into cos n pi, minus pi to plus pi. So an equal to minus 1 by 2 pi n square. If I substitute the integral limits, cos nx. Once again I repeat, an equal to minus 1 by 2 pi n square. N I took outside, minus also I took outside. So minus 1 by 2 pi n square cos nx. In the integration, minus pi to plus pi. Now I will substitute the integral limits now. So this become cos n pi minus, if I substitute here, that become cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta itself. So I will get again cos n pi itself. If I substitute pi, this become cos n pi. We have the value cos of n of minus pi, which is equal to cos n pi, because cos of minus theta equal to plus cos theta. So if I substitute minus, it become cos n pi. So plus minus cancels, so 0. So which implies an equal to 0. Now I will move on to the next value, bn. 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi f of x into sin nx dx. So why I took minus pi to plus pi? Because the given question is neither even nor odd function. So 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi. Now I will substitute f of x value. 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi, 1 by 2 into pi minus x into sin nx dx. Okay, bn equal to 1 by 2 pi minus pi to plus pi, pi minus x into sin nx dx. How you are applied for the previous value now? The same thing you need to follow. Apply the integration by parts UV rule. U into V equal to U into integration of V minus double integration of V into U dash. Now apply the formula. Bn equal to 1 by 2 pi as it is. Again here also I will go for the integration U into integration of V. So pi minus x into integration of sin, that become minus cos nx divided by n minus 2 times integration of sin. So that become minus sin 1 time integration minus cos, one more time minus sin nx divided by n square into minus 1. Integration limits are minus pi to plus pi. Okay, integration of sin becomes minus cos nx by n, 2 times integration sin, 1 time minus cos, one more time minus sin nx by n square. Integration limits are minus pi to plus pi. Now let's go for the simplification. Now minus outside, so minus of pi minus x into cos nx whole divided by n, minus into minus plus, plus into again minus sin nx by n square, minus pi to plus pi. Again we have the value sin n pi is 0, sin of minus n pi is also 0. So sin n pi is 0, minus sin n pi is also 0, cos n pi means minus 1 power n. So the second term, whole term become 0. Now we can take n outside as well as negative value. Throughout I will take outside. So minus 1 by 2 pi n bracket pi minus x into cos nx in the interval minus pi to plus pi. Now I will go for the substituting the integral limits. That is bn equal to minus 1 by 2 pi n. If I substitute pi here, pi minus pi 0, pi minus pi into cos of n pi minus pi plus pi, because if I substitute minus here, minus pi here, minus into minus plus pi into cos n pi. So minus pi is 0, so this term vanishes, only pi plus pi means 2 pi, cos n pi is nothing but minus 1 power n, this is nothing but minus 1 power n. I write that bn value there, bn equal to 1 by 2 pi. See, minus into minus plus. So 1 by 2 pi n as it is, plus 2 pi n into pi plus pi, 2 pi, into minus 1 power n. 2 pi cancels. Bn equal to minus 1 power n divided by n. This is a value for Bn. Now after calculating A naught, An and Bn value, we need to substitute in Fourier series expansion formula. You got the three values, that is A naught equal to pi, An equal to 0, and Bn equal to minus 1 power n divided by n. Now the formula, f of x equal to A naught by 2, summation from n equal to 1 to infinity, An into cos nx plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity, Bn into sin nx. So just replace that value. So f of x is nothing but the given question, 1 by 2 into pi minus x, which is equal to A naught is nothing but pi. So pi by 2 plus An is 0. So this whole term you can write it as 0 plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity, Bn means minus 1 power n divided by n into sin nx, which is the Fourier series expansion for the given question, f of x equal to 1 by 2 into pi minus x. The first thing is we need to verify even or odd function method, but here the given question is neither even nor odd function method. So neither even nor odd means all the three values we should calculate, A naught, An, Bn value. The formula will be A naught equal to 1 by pi, the given integration, that is minus pi to plus pi. Same thing follows for the An as well as Bn value. Now we move on to the second question, that is obtain the Fourier series for the function f of x equal to x and x minus 2 pi in the interval 0 to pi, pi to 2 pi. Now the first thing is verifying even and odd function method. Here they are divided into two functions, f1 and f2 value. So I will divide that function. f1 of x equal to x and f2 of x equal to x minus 2 pi. f1 of x equal to x, f2 of x equal to x minus 2 pi. So now we need to see the given interval, then we need to go for even and odd function. What is the interval? The given interval is 0 to 2 pi. So while verifying even and odd function method, we need to substitute x equal to 2 pi minus x. So we will get f1 of 2 pi minus x, which is equal to 2 pi minus x. Now here x minus 2 pi is there, so I will interchange these two values. So f1 of 2 pi minus x equal to minus x plus 2 pi. So f1 of 2 pi minus x equal to, if I took minus outside, this becomes x minus 2 pi, because the given question is x minus 2 pi is there. So I will interchange 2 pi minus x to minus x plus 2 pi, minus I will take outside, x minus 2 pi. Now see, x minus 2 pi is nothing but the second function value, that is f2 of x. So we can write it as f1 of 2 pi minus x equal to minus f2 of x. f1 of 2 pi minus x equal to minus f2 of x. You are the negative value, minus f2 of x. So the given function is odd function. f1 of 2 pi minus x equal to minus f2 of x, the given function is odd. If the given function is odd means a naught and an 0, only we need to calculate bn. So a naught equal to 0, an equal to 0, only we need to calculate bn value. If you got f1 of 2 pi minus x equal to plus f2 of x, then the given function is even. Now I will write the formula for bn. Now the given question is odd function, the formula will be bn equal to 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. So f of x is nothing but in the interval 0 to pi we need to take. What is the interval 0 to pi? F of x value x. See, 0 to pi means we have the value x. So in place of f of x we need to substitute x now. So Bn equal to 2 by pi 0 to pi x into sin nx dx. So why I substituted x here? Because the integration 0 to pi is there. 0 to pi is x we need to take. Now we need to apply integration by parts rule. UV rule we need to apply. UV equal to u into integration of v, double integration of v into u dash. Directly I will go for the integration. So Bn equal to 2 by pi bracket u, the first value, x as it is, integration of sin nx. So sin become minus cos nx divided by n minus double integration of sin, one time integration minus cos nx by n, one more time minus sin nx by n square in the interval 0 to pi. Now substitute the integral limits. Before substituting the integral limits, we have the values, that is sin n pi is 0, cos n pi means minus 1 power n. Now see, if I substitute x in place of x pi here, this becomes sin n pi. So sin n pi, what is sin n pi means? 0, first value, second value. If I substitute 0 here, this becomes sin 0. What is sin 0? 0. So if I substitute pi also, this becomes sin n pi. If I substitute 0, sin 0. Sin n pi is 0, sin 0 is 0. So the last second value vanishes. Only the first value remains. Because if I substitute pi here, this becomes cos n pi. Cos n pi means minus 1 power n. So cos 0 means 1. Now I will go for the substituting the integral limits. That is Bn equal to 2 by n I will take outside pi n into minus pi into cos n pi minus, if I substitute 0, 0 into cos 0. Cos n pi means minus 1 power n, cos 0 means 1. So minus pi into minus 1 power n, but 0 into 1. So the whole term becomes 0. This is whole term becomes 0, not required, only the first value we need to write. That is Bn equal to 2 by pi into n minus pi into minus 1 power n. Okay. Now pi and pi cancels, remains Bn equal to minus 2 into minus 1 power n divided by n. So the Bn value. Okay. The first term minus 1 power n, the second term 0. Cos 0 is 1, but 0 into 1 becomes 0 itself. The whole value vanishes, only Bn value you get. Bn equal to minus 2 into minus 1 power n divided by n. After getting this Bn value, we need to substitute in Fourier series expansion. A0 and An is 0 because odd function. Now you got the Bn is minus 2 into minus 1 power n divided by n. Now we need to substitute in Fourier series expansion. That is f of x equal to summation from n equal to 1 to infinity Bn into sin nx. So f of x is nothing but x. X equal to summation from n equal to 1 to infinity Bn means minus 2 into minus 1 power n divided by n into sin nx. Okay, or x equal to minus 2 summation from n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power n sin nx divided by n. Okay, this is the Fourier series expansion for the given function. We have here, there is a second question is there. In the previous one only one question, obtain the Fourier series. Now here there is a one more question, hence deduce that pi by 4 equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5, so on. This value also we need to verify now by using x equal to minus 2 summation n equal to infinity minus 1 power n into sin nx by n. Now I will do one thing, I will expand this n equal to 1 to infinity will be there, 4 times I will expand, n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, I will substitute, n equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4, I will expand. So x equal to minus 2 bracket n equal to 1. So, minus 1 by 1 into sin x plus second value bracket second value n equal to 2. So, 1 by 2 minus 1 the whole square, that is nothing but plus 1 by 2 into sin 2x plus n equal to 3 minus 1 divided by 3 into sin 3x sufficient. Okay, n equal to 1 to 3 I substituted. Integration from x equal to 0 to pi is there. Here in all the cases sin and sin value is there. If I took x equal to pi, x equal to pi, this become sin pi. Sin pi means 0. So all the values vanishes. If I substitute x equal to pi means sin pi is 0, sin 2 pi 0, sin 3 pi 0. So all the values vanishes only except here. But the interval from 0 to pi is there, 0 to 180 degree. We can't substitute 0 here because sin 0 is 0, 0, 0, all the values vanishes. So you can't substitute pi also. Next is in between 0 to pi we have standard angle x equal to pi by 2. So if I substitute x equal to pi by 2 here, pi by 2 minus 2 bracket minus 1 divided by 1 into sin pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 into sin 2 pi by 2 plus minus 1 by 3 into sin 3 pi by 2. Okay, we have the value for sin pi by 2. What is sin pi by 2 means? Sin 0 is 0, sin pi by 2 means 1. So 1, 2 cancels, sin pi is 0. Sin 3 pi by 2 means minus 1. Once again I repeat, sin pi by 2 we have the value 0. Sin 2 cancels, sin pi is 0. I cross multiply these two values. So minus pi by 4 which is equal to first value minus 1. So minus 1 by 1 plus 0 the second value minus into minus plus 1 by 3, so on. Let that expression as it is, minus pi by 4 equal to minus 1 by 1 plus 0 plus 1 by 3, so on. I take minus outside. So minus pi by 4, if I took minus outside, 1 by 1, anyway the second term will be 0, minus 1 by 3, so on. Now if I cross multiply, pi by 4 equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, if you apply for one more value, that is plus 1 by 5, so on, you will get. This is a required value. Pi by 4 equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5, so on. The given question is obtain the Fourier series for the function, two functions x and x minus 2 pi. The first thing is verifying given and odd function. After verifying given and odd function, you got function. Odd function means a0 and an0, only you are calculated bn value. Now here there is a one more question is there, hence evaluate or hence deduce that pi by 4 equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5, so on. After getting bn value, you need to substitute that value in the Fourier series expansion bn. After getting that value, substitute x equal to pi by 2. Why we need to substitute x equal to pi by 2? Because 0 to pi means, because x is nothing but 0 to pi. Here sin n pi is there. If I substitute 0, the sin 0 becomes 0. 0, 0, 0, whole term vanishes. If I substitute pi also, this whole term vanishes. So the only thing is in between 0 to pi, we have the standard angle x equal to pi by 2. So if I substituted x equal to pi by 2, then go for the simplification, you will get the final answer, pi by 4 equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5, so on.